Baby, that's my boy. You get anything you like. Long as you alright, then me alright. Me know your man, that's why I like you. To a woman I like. You see bump up the proper sign.
Waah gwaan YouTube, it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again with another video. As you guys can see from the title, this is the ethnicity tag, and you guys must know what my country is, what my background country is. If you guys watch my videos, you know what my background is. Yes, and my background is Jamaican. Yes, I love Jamaica bad, and I'm proud to have my background as a Jamaican, if that sentence makes sense. But anyways guys, yes, so yes, my background is Jamaican. I am actually Canadian, so I'm just gonna answer some questions. Yeah, so if I look down, it's because I'm looking at my phone, because that's where the questions are. So the first question is, where are you from? So as I said before, I am from Canada. I was born and raised in Toronto. Jane and Finch, for any of the people then who are watching my video who's from Toronto. Do you have an ethnic name? My name's Shickaa. Like, Jamaican people call me Shickaa. I don't know. Like, I don't know if I have an ethnic name. When I'm in Jamaica, they're like Shickaa, or they say Lash. Cause my real name is Lishik. Them say Lash, but it's not really an ethnic name. It's just a pet name, right? Anyways, and that was the second question. I'm going so fast. Oh my god. Okay, the third question is, my phone just locked off. The third question is, when was the last time you visited your country? So the last time I visited Jamaica was actually last year, summer in July 2017, and I spent a month there. This is the longest that I have not been back to Jamaica, because normally I go to Jamaica like 2 times a year, because my second half, my boo-boo, my boyfriend, he actually lives in Jamaica. So you don't know, I have to make the relationship work, so I go down there. Plus I have a whole heap of family who live in Jamaica, so I love Jamaica, so I'm always in Jamaica. So yeah, this is like the longest I haven't been back to Jamaica, but there's a trip coming up very soon, and I am so excited. The countdown has started. But yes, anyways, the fourth question is, name one household item that best represents your country. If you're Jamaican, if you are of Jamaican descent, you guys have to have seen this before, and this is the best representation I have in my house right now. Yes, remember this. When you come here, what you see here, what you hear here, when you leave here, let it stay here, or don't come back here. Jamaica. Every Jamaican have to have seen this before or have this in their house. Okay, now the fifth question is, what part of the country are you from? Me's a country girl. Well, my parents are country people. My mom's side of family is from Trelawney, me say. Yeah. And then my father's side is from Clarendon, I believe, from Maypen. I don't really know like a lot about my father's side of family, but my mother's side, like, yeah, Trelawney, one little place called Alps Trelawney. Yeah, that's up in the hills, up in the high bush, gully, where whole heap of pig, whole heap of hog, that's the same thing, whole heap of fowl, goat, the whole of them something there, all over there in Trelawney, in Alps. And honestly, over there is very nice. Like, when I go there, the scenery, because we're so high up in the hills, like, the scenery is just so beautiful. But it's cold up there, like, it's actually cold. Like, there's actually like cold crystals on the car windows when you're up there. But yeah, that's the part of Jamaica that you know, my 2 sides are from. Okay, can you speak the language of your ethnicity? Well, Jamaicans speak English, but their dialect is patois. And throughout the video, you hear me talk patois, you hear me speak the patois. My mic sound kind of awkward, but patois, and I hit me a chat right now, and I hit me chat in the other video that we have. So if you want to count that as a language, then sure, yes, I can speak my ethnic language, dialect, I should say. Name one ethnic food you enjoy the most. Why? When me love typical Jamaican, well, typical, you know, typical meal. I love my ackee and saltfish, yeah. Yo, I love ackee and saltfish so till. Like, yo, and you know what's so funny? Back in the days, like when I was smaller, yo, me did afraid for eat ackee. Cause every time I looked at ackee, I'm like, yo, this looks like eggs, but there's like fish in it. Like, you know, I'm like, I don't want to eat this. But then me say, yo, one time I got Jamaica, I'm gonna eat ackee for the first time. It's like me fall in love. Yo, I love ackee so till. And then I also love brown stew chicken and rice and peas or pumpkin rice. Oh my god. Fricassee chicken, oh my god, right? Oh god, I'm hungry. Where's like I'm gonna eat no breakfast? I'm hungry just talking about it. But honestly, brown stew chicken and rice and peas, ackee and saltfish. I love brown stew fish as well, yo. I love brown stew fish. What else I love? Yo, there's just so much. I love fried chicken, typical, you know, typical meal. Fried chicken with rice and peas and curry gravy on top. Yo, I can't wait to go back to Jamaica to go eat the real Jamaican food right now, you know. But anyways, yes. And the last question is, what is your favorite ethnic music? Dancehall. I love dancehall. So till I love reggae, but I have a love for dancehall. Like, yo, I love dancehall music. Like, I really love dancehall music. Right now, one of my favorite songs, I'm gonna play it for y'all. I know that y'all know it. Yo, I love a song here. Yo, TJ of Find It. TJ is from Montego Bay, Mobay. Big up all the Mobay people who watch this video. Big up on yourself. I love Montego Bay. That is where my boyfriend is from. So I'm always there, Mobay. So big up Mobay, big up TJ. But yes, guys, and that's actually all the questions for this video. This video is very short, but yes, I actually enjoyed doing this video. Like, I actually enjoyed answering these questions for you guys. But if you guys have any other questions, you guys can ask it in the comment section below. And make sure you share this video with your auntie, your uncle, your sister, your brother, your mother, your father, your baby father, your baby mother, everybody. Share the video with them. Yeah, and subscribe, like, comment as I said before. And yeah, later.